had just gone through a divorce, and I had joint custody of my kids, but really I had the kids. I was out of work for a long while, about a year. I injured myself, and I'd never experienced that before. So I ended up going on the LINK program, and the public aid office contacted me and had mentioned this EPIC program. Next thing I know, I went down to the office and signed some papers and stuff, and they gave Orlando my number here, and he came out to my house, to meet me and let me know that he might have some work for me or education, all kinds of opportunities, help me find a job, and it went from there. Ended up going through the program, helped me make a resume, and it just went really well. From there, they actually hooked me up with work, seeing that I was trying. Being a single parent was really tough. Can't be at home and with the kids. So when I pay a babysitter, that's not cheap, and the kids aren't cheap. But I was desperately needing some cash.
So I know it took a couple of phone conversations before we could actually meet. Like, what was going on, the reason you couldn't meet like at a certain time and I had to come out to you?
I was running out. I didn't have a car at the time, so that's why I was so grateful he did come out. And once I met Orlando, I knew that something was going to happen. I could just tell with the positive energy and that something was going to happen. I let him know I'm willing to do anything, to make some money and take care of my family. So.
Did you have any other programs to choose from? Because I kind of just want to know why you chose the EPIC program.
No, that was the first program that I was approached by, and I like to work, so that's the first and only program I was approached by.
You did a work experience. What was the most helpful part of your work experience, or just being a part of the EPIC program in general?
Well, it was great because they give you a lot of opportunities to teach you how to find jobs, and a lot of times that's all the problem is, But when I got the work experience here, I can't say enough about it, but what I learned here, he taught me how to weld, I learned some electrical, plumbing, we put floors in, walls, drywall. It's endless amount of stuff that I learned here that can help me, even if I'm not in that field forever, it can help me for the rest of my life. Save money, and it's just good to know how to do things.
Did you have the opportunity to earn any credentials or anything?
I was offered all kinds of things. But really, I just wanted to get back to work because I needed money then. But they offered many, many opportunities for that, forklift, training, all kinds of stuff. But I needed that check right then.
Okay. So what's your current career situation right now?
I'd like eventually, I'm the head maintenance guy here at Leslie Bates Davis Neighborhood House. But eventually I'd like to go back to college, maybe for HVAC or something. That's what I've always really wanted to do.
So is it safe to say your plans for the future is possibly being in the HVAC arena?
Yeah, I'd like to go to school and for HVAC and maybe get a couple of my own vans and have my own business. So.
Okay. Is there anything else that you would like to share with us?
I am eternally grateful for the EPIC program. I was struggling financially, and this program helped me tremendously. And I've seen it help a lot of people, even if some people fade out. But even then, I know people that faded out from the program that are working today because they got back. They just got started again. Sometimes it's just getting started that helps you, fire you back up. It's an amazing program, and I am eternally grateful for it. I like working here because we do so many things for the community, and I just hope it never goes away. So it just helps a lot of people.